The Missouri Department of Conservation wants to help you discover nature and take part in a different type of spring hunt, morel mushroom hunting. Morels are treasured both for their delectable flavor and for the fun of the hunt. They are delicious to eat, easy to identify, and can be found in every Missouri county. Morels have a short growing season in the spring.
Morel mushrooms are often out starting in mid-April, and the season lasts until mid-May, depending on the weather and where you are in the state.
Where to look for morels is the eternal question. Conventional wisdom is to look around live or dead elm, ash, or apple trees. Also, Missouri has many varieties of edible and non-edible mushrooms. If you are not 100% positive of the ID, don't eat it. No fancy equipment needed for this hunt. Just grab a bag and head into the woods to see if you can find what nature has in store for you.